We are from Group 11. This is our fifth group discussion video for LAX2047. So all the group members are present, and yeah. So we start with, let me introduce my name. My name is Minoritika, and my metric number is 181657.
My name is Zelika. My metric number is 181712.
My name is Nur Hidayah. My metric number is 183354.
My name is Wu Yaodong. My metric number is 186453.
My name is Muhammad Nur Fadullah and my metric number is 188641.
And my name is Irham Iman. My metric number is 188498.
Okay, so today is our sixth video, right?
Fifth.
So we are going to decide
Which team?
Which pair has a best poem? Which group according to the topic?
I think I would prefer pollution to be chosen, because I think that all of us have experienced pollution before, right? Such as water pollution, air pollution. Maybe we didn't really experience it, but we must at least once have watch it in the televisions or social medias. So I think we kind of already exposed with pollution. So I think that can make us it will be easier for us to instill our ideas and to create a poem regarding pollution. So I think, yeah, pollution.
What about you guys? State your points.
As for me, among the three poems that the three themes that we discussed, I think war is not related to us, because we are not facing war in Malaysia. So it's a bit difficult for us to think of any idea of how to create a poem that with the theme war. And maybe from the poem that we have read about motivation for the fighter, or for the soldier. A motivation for the soldier, maybe that is a good poem. But in terms of the significance to the society, the significance of the message to the society, maybe it's not so applicable for us currently. So that is my point of view.
However, wise man once said, prevent is better than being affected. Am I correct? Then it's true that we're not in war, but globally we could see that there's an almost eruption of war between the most recent one, Pakistan and India, where they're actually debating with each other, the Prime Minister and both Prime Minister. They were talking about who's gonna fire the first shot of nuclear, and then everything will start. By having poem as an entertainment to give people morale of how bad war is, we can prevent war from coming within the upcoming years. It's just my point of view, but poverty is more globally affected, as you can see now. Like almost 30% of people who are living only have roof. 30% of people, more or less, are living under a roof. The rest is just not under a roof. Homeless. So by stating what kind of poverty it is, I'm going for poverty.
Which one? Poverty.
Yeah.
I agree.
But actually, for me, the theme war is kind of interesting, because for both of you to mention war in terms of soldier fighting, right? But for me, when I thought about war, it's we're not fighting with people, but maybe we have a war in ourselves, fighting for something. maybe for the society, maybe like fighting for right now is
Justice.
like
Self
not
right.
really justice, but maybe like in ourselves, maybe depression or somewhat like that. So we could also use it like that.
Fighting for financial constraint.
Oh, fighting for poverty within polluted world.
Wow.
All things in one home.
So how about the others?
In my opinion, as long as the human is making the progress, the war can be stopped, and it cannot affect too much people, except the countries which are in the war, and the poverty. With the help from another country, the poverty situation can becomes better. But the pollution is a problem which faced by the global world, and it is
Imbalance of nature.
and the situation cannot go back because the ice and everything, the ice in the polar is melting, melting, it's melting, and the polar bear is nowhere to go, and this situation cannot be reversed. We cannot stop it and make it back. So it's a problem which is our human being is facing. Yeah. How do you guys think?
For me, I choose pollution because for war is not none of us have experience in war, in a real war. So it's only war for in ourselves, right? And then for poverty, only minority in our country is in a poverty situation, not majority. But pollution, like he said that, is a global problem. And now, because of pollution, our Earth is in danger. And like you said, the polar bear, and now the polar bear, many cameramen have go there, and most of the polar bears become skinny, not because of drug. And then because of pollution, our ozone become more thin and thinner, and then our Earth become more hot.
That makes sense.
So I just pollution.
I thought you agree with him.
Yeah, because I choose pollution as well. Yeah. Wait. Oh, I choose
No,
pollution.
you
Oh,
choose poverty actually.
It starts with P. None of your perspective matters.
Okay, as for me, just now I just said that I didn't agree for war theme, right? So I would like to justify that I choose pollution because as an engineer, because I'm taking electrical engineering, in the course of engineers and society, just now we watched a video about have you ever heard of what country is that in China? Okay, I forgot the name
China
of
is
the
just
country.
one country.
One of the country is a very small undeveloped country neighboring to China and India. Okay, that country contributes not a neutral carbon neutral, but carbon negative. Do you know why? Because although their industrial activity contributes to carbon emission, but they plant more trees, and their country is we can say that it is a green country because they are using electric vehicle, they are using renewable energy as their energy sources, but they are the country that suffer the most in terms of global warming and greenhouse emission because they are small, and the global emission of greenhouse gases affected them a lot. So that is why they call their country as not carbon neutral but carbon negative, because instead of them producing carbon, but they are affected more because of carbon. So I think pollution is a major issue that we can contribute more to the society, so that they realize every single steps and many actions can be taken, such as bringing bags to shopping complex or supermarket, walking to class instead of using motorcycle or a car for at least once a week. So I think pollution is a great thing to be discussed in a poem.
A very interesting point. I agree. I already changed my mind. Okay, majority three people on
Yeah, on
pollution. How about you?
pollution.
Your pollution?
Huh?
Yes. Oh, yes. Okay. So it's 4-2. So it's pollution, and so we can start progress on making the poem. If I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So
I think we could discuss about what is the content of our poem.
Yes.
Yeah, so that we can write our poem based on the things that we discussed for today.
I think the polar bear is
The
The polar bear? Where the polar bear?
the polar bear that you mentioned.
Just
That
now.
the polar bear becomes skinny
Yeah.
and
No,
the
the
eyes
picture,
are
the picture.
melting. So I think that is some of the elements that we can include in our poems.
Of course.
Yeah, I also agree, and also that the
Yeah, me, I'm become skinny.
Air pollution.
Yeah, air pollution.
vehicles.
Okay. My idea is, what if each of us find out what is the effect of pollution to each country. Just like in the North Pole, the polar bear becomes skinny. In Malaysia, what happens? In Africa, what happens? Means that in every country or every edge of the world, what happens? So we highlight the effects of pollution in our poem.
Okay. In conclusion,
right?
so,
Oh, I thought we had to make.
I think just for today we discussed the content, but later
Oh.
on we could on the next video we could present and recite our poem.
Analyze.
so in this video we decide the pollution.
Yes.
This is the topic of us, not
Yeah, pollution thing.
poem that we need to write. So I think that's all for today.
Yes.
That's all for today, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you guys.
See you
See
next
you
week.
next week. Bye
Bye.
bye.